Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of a Gold IRA process? As investors increasingly seek stability in an ever-changing financial landscape, Gold IRAs have emerged as a popular choice. Today, we take you on an exclusive journey through the inner workings of the Gold IRA process, revealing the meticulous steps that ensure your investments are safely anchored in the timeless allure of gold. To begin, let us explore why more and more investors are drawn to Gold IRAs. Unlike traditional IRAs that consist primarily of stocks and bonds, a Gold IRA allows investors to hold physical precious metals, such as gold, as a retirement asset. This diversification not only enhances the security of your portfolio, but also serves as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. The process of converting a portion of your retirement savings into gold involves several well-orchestrated steps, each critical to safeguarding your investment. The journey starts with selecting a reputable custodian. This entity acts as a trusted intermediary, holding and managing your Gold IRA's assets. Choosing the right custodian is crucial, as they ensure compliance with IRS regulations and provide the necessary paperwork and guidance throughout the setup. It's recommended to perform due diligence by researching customer reviews, industry reputation, and the custodian's fee structure to make an informed decision. Once you've chosen a custodian, the next step involves setting up a self-directed IRA account. This type of IRA offers the flexibility to include physical gold as part of your retirement portfolio. The account setup typically involves completing an application form and transferring funds from your existing retirement account. It's important to note that the transfer process must adhere strictly to IRS guidelines to maintain the tax-deferred status of your retirement savings. With your self-directed IRA in place, the exciting part begins: the purchase of gold. Gold IRAs allow you to invest in various forms of gold, including bars and coins that meet specific purity standards. These standards, established by the IRS, ensure that only high-quality gold qualifies for inclusion in your IRA. Working closely with your chosen custodian, you will select the type and quantity of gold that aligns with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Once the gold purchase is finalized, the next step is secure storage. The IRS prohibits holding IRA-owned gold in personal possession, necessitating storage in an approved depository. These depositories offer highly secure, insured facilities to protect your precious metals. Rest assured, your custodian will handle the logistics of transferring and storing your gold, allowing you the peace of mind that your investment is in safe hands. Now let's delve into the maintenance of your Gold IRA. Regular reviews of your account are essential to ensure it continues to align with your retirement goals. Your custodian will provide statements and reports detailing the performance and value of your assets. Staying informed about market trends and seeking professional advice when needed can contribute to optimizing the growth of your Gold IRA over time. As with any investment, it's important to be mindful of the rules governing Gold IRAs. These include contribution limits, age-related withdrawal requirements, and tax implications. Consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional can assist you in navigating these aspects to maximize the benefits and avoid potential pitfalls. Finally, as you approach retirement, you may consider when and how to liquidate your Gold IRA. The process typically involves selling the gold for cash or taking physical possession, known as an in-kind distribution. Each option has its own tax implications, making it crucial to plan your strategy with expert advice to ensure it aligns with your retirement objectives. And there you have it, the intricate process that makes Gold IRAs a compelling option for savvy investors. Whether it's the allure of tangible assets, the diversification benefits, or the timeless security gold offers, understanding this process unlocks a wealth of opportunities for your retirement planning. We hope this behind-the-scenes look into the Gold IRA process has been as enlightening as it was informative. Please share your thoughts and comment on your favorite parts of the video. We'd love to hear your ideas for future topics, so feel free to give us suggestions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Gold IRAs. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.